living a simple life, sorting out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina. Today, I want to talk to you about the Husqvarna 150BT. I have had since 1998 a Homelite Ranger blower, one of those little handheld blowers that has worked marvelously. In fact, it was still working when I finally gave it away this year. It was time to move up to a backpack blower. I've had great luck with Husqvarna products, so I figured I'd go ahead and pick this up. And while I didn't make an unboxing video or anything like that, I did want to just take some time to show you all the features and functions this thing has. Obviously, the season here anyway is almost over, but maybe one of y'all will still find some interest in this. Maybe yours blew up this year or whatnot. But it's a pretty basic unit. You've got your engine obviously tucked in back here, your gas tank. This is the blower mechanism where the fan is, and then on this side you've got your controls, and I'll show you that once I put it on. But throttle control, you know, your on-off switch there, and it's pretty well padded backpack. Flipping around here so you can see that. That's pretty nice. That's like, you know, I did landscaping for about 7 years when I was in the National Guard and had to have a second job and a third job and fourth job. Landscaping and construction treated me well, but I don't recall backpack blowers being quite so luxurious back then. And maybe not quite as quiet as this one is either. This one actually isn't too bad, 72 decibels. And I don't know what this says about 101 decibels, but we'll go with 72 on that because that's about what it sounds like. Of course, I am deaf, so who knows. Anyway, back to this side. In order to start and operate this thing, up underneath here on the actual carburetor is your bulb. You're going to pump that 10 times. Right, and this also has pretty easy to get to for maintenance. Air filter here, spark plug there. There's not a lot of other maintenance you can really do to these things. But once we have that set up, I'll turn the choke on. That's it. Hopefully you can hear me over the sound of the motor, but controls here are fairly limited. On-off switch, which always defaults to on. We have our throttle control here, and this is like autopilot. Just throttle down, hold that down, and then the thing stays at whatever RPM it was set to. Overall, very basic functions, but it works. Got a pretty good long nose to push with. We'll go over here and find the last of our leaves and push them around a little bit. So it just works. I would say compared to the 1998 Homelite Ranger, it's a huge improvement. First thing I can tell you is this is a whole lot easier than holding a engine and the blower mechanism. So it's just a lot lighter on your arms while you're operating it. The backpack blower with the exhaust pointing out backwards is not as loud as it seems. Obviously they recommend using ear protection with something like this, but when you have made it to my age and my level of deafness, these are not problems that we have any longer, right? That is it for today, my friends. I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Take care.